Hi kindergarten, you are going to get your sight word packets, and this is the first page we are going to do. So for this page, you are going to first say it. So this word is sounding it out, it. And then we're going to trace it. And they already have the dotted line, so you're going to go ahead and put your pencil on the dotted line and trace the I to the bottom and then dot it. And then go back up to the top line, go down to the bottom for the T, and cross it in the middle to make it. We traced it. Next, we're going to write it. So you're going to go to the dotted line, down to the bottom, and then go up and dot it. Go to the top line for the T, down to the bottom, and cross it in the middle on the dotted line. And we wrote it again. And then the word is it. Here, build it. Build it means you need to go get your scissors, because here at the bottom we have all of these letters that we're going to cut out. Do we need all of those letters to make the word it? Nope. We only need 2 letters. So we are still going to cut this line off. We're going to go ahead and just cut across with your scissors the whole bottom. Just cut it off. And then you are going to have a strip. Then in that strip you are just going to cut out the letters you need to build the word it. And we know, looking at the paper and knowing the sounds that we're making, we need the I and the T. And then not only do you need your scissors, but you need your glue stick. So you're going to glue which letter goes first in the word it. Yep, the I. So you're going to go ahead and glue in the I, and I'm going to write it, but you are going to definitely glue the I right here. Then you are going to glue the T that you cut out and glue it here. So I know that I just wrote it, but for you, you're going to cut this out, cut out the I, cut out the T, and glue it in this box. Find it. Find it means we are going to find what word in all of these letters and words. We're going to find the word it. And I already see it's on there at least 4 times, right? So go ahead and circle the word it in that word find. On the bottom, it says use it. Do I just want to write the word it on all of those lines? No. I want you to use the word it in a sentence. So let me think, how would I use the word it in a sentence? I know that I already know the word I, so I might write I, and I will think I'll put think, the. I know that the is in the, so I know TH says the. Think. I think it is, I know those 2 sounds, is, I-S, is fun. Fun, F, and I know I end a sentence with a period. Do you have to write that same sentence? Nope. I want you to write your own sentence. So when you finish this and you write 1 or even 2 sentences, I want you to post this picture on Seesaw.